What's going on, Mojos? It's ProTrader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a great weekend. Pretty exciting night tonight. The BDH contest is going on. Patrick's live on YouTube answering all kinds of questions, and there's gonna be a leaderboard, but I don't know where that is yet. And I'm gonna trade live my BDH contest account for y'all. Let me head over to my screen right here. So I've got right here, this is the Tradovate platform. I usually don't trade on Tradovate, but I'm getting it set up. I'm also going to trade some of my take profit accounts tonight and maybe some other ones. We'll take a look and see how it goes. But give me a 1 in the chat if you can hear me. And hello, Hasma. Hi, Starboy. How's my voice coming in? Contest account for y'all. My weekend's good, thanks. Let me make sure I'm live on Twitter. And we're looking good. It's 5:49. And yeah, we are live. Great. So this is $50,000. You're allowed 10 mini contracts and or 50 micros, but I'm only going to trade the minis. I have it set on 1. And I mostly just short the NASDAQ. So I'm not going to ride it both. I was thinking, should I ride it both ways and go long and short, even though my system during the day, I'll have better indicators to go long. But right now, I'll only go long after I have a great short and I know it's greening back up and making a V. Or heading to like an even number, maybe 25,000 or 24,950 or 24,900 and or that way. So that's the 100-point box I think it's going to be in. SQQ closed at 1505. It went to, let's see, SQQQ, 15-minute. It went all the way to 1520 range, where NASDAQ at that point was at, it dropped from 25,150 to 24,925 in that move. See that? So we could see the same thing right now. If it's anywhere near 25,100, that is the low of SQQ. That's right here at 1475. So I doubt it would be there. And then it made that huge run up there to 1520. And the NASDAQ futures dumped from 25,150 to 24,950. So you got 200 points. Is that yeah, 200, no, 100, yeah, 200. Let me see my calculator. I'm so bad at math sometimes. So you got 25. Oh, it actually went from 25,150 to 24,950. So yeah, that's 200 points. 200 points on a move of 20 cents on SQQ. No, actually 1475 to 15 is 25 cents. And then it went, so a 45-cent move is every 20 cents is 100 points. Amazing, right? Every 20 cents. Every 20 cents of is 100 points. I'm going to put that in the Discord also. That's great information right there. What time is it? 5:52. We're going to see the prices start to fill in on Tradovate in a minute, probably. We're at 24,982. So 24,982 is around, yeah, right there where it closed. Let me go on the 1 minute. Yeah, right there. So that's where it closed, right there. Let me look at what this is doing. Yeah, I got the wrong setting going. Yeah, I do. There you go. Make the chart look a little bit bigger. But yeah, that's the NQ on the minute right there. And this USD versus Japan is down. I don't know what that, so that historically, if what it's doing, let me look on the 15. Yeah, actually spiked up. Look at that. This spiked up from 147 to 149, the USD versus Japan. Dollar, the US dollar. Something's going to happen big. There's definitely going to be a big gap now at 6 o'clock. And I think it's SQQ to the upside and it's NQ to the downside. Let's see how much downside we have on NQ. There's the daily, a little head and shoulders. I love that. So let's go to the 60-minute. Oh, we're going to dump under 24,920. That's where we're going under. We're going under 24,920. That's where we're going. 1,000 people entered it, the contest. 1,000 people. So we'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. 6 minutes to the open. That shit's gonna go lower, man. To 24,900 and lower. Let's look a little more time frame and see how far this shit's gonna drop over 1520. Another 10 cents is another 100 points. So you got 24,900 down to 800, 700, 600 is the number right down here. This one, 24,722. I'll put that in the Discord also, 24,722. And this number, ultimate low, is 24,422. Ooh, look at that number, same number. How crazy is that, dude? That one number is that, and the other number is that. It ends in like the same, 22. All right. Well, we're headed lower for sure. 60-minute. Get on the 5-minute right there. Going to dump on the 24,910 right there. Let me close my door. 24,982. It's going to fall a lot, under 50. Look, there's a 5 down there at 40. Is there anything up top? Nope, nothing's in there yet. All right, we'll see what happens here. He's got 1,000 people watching. Those are the 1,000 people that are probably entered. But the 5 that love me. The 10 that love me on YouTube and the 50 that love me on Twitter. That my dog's gonna bark. All right, here we go. 557. All right, let's see if there's anything on the Ninja Trader that's coming up. Yeah, they're at 24,977. They're putting like an indication there, which is, oh yeah, lower, 24,977. Right down at 24.9. Yeah, it's like right around here. Oh, it's got a long 50 more points to dump than that. So I'll make 10 contracts on the open, 50 points on the minis. I'll do really good on the open, I think. 558. Here we go. Got my golf towel. Get ready for the first tee. I'm going to crush it right down the middle. Look, it already adjusted down to 82. Told you, look. See? you can't put in anything above 25,000 up here? It's going lower at the open, Patrick. Can't wait for you to have me at the BDH. Here we go, baby. It's there, 24,982. And that's what it's on NinjaTrader also, around 77. There's a 1 there. Anything on the spike up higher is going to be a gift towards 25,000. Love it. All right, here we go, boys. 1 more minute to the open. Here we go. Got my poker chips. Here we go. It's a demo. I'm like nervous because I'm going to win this contest, but it's going to take 5 days. People are going to YOLO and go all in, long and short on 2 different accounts and try to get a big win and keep the leaderboard. They'll stay in it all night and they'll show a really huge profit, but then they won't trade again. And then they'll lose when they try to trade again and people surpass them. I've been doing these contests for a long time. The tortoise, the rabbit loses to the turtle. I'm the turtle. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see which way it goes. I scale in 1 at a time and it's rising up. I'm in, I'm in, I'm in for 3. She's pumping. I'm in, I'm in, I'm in, I'm in, I'm in, I'm in. I have 9 of them. I have 10 of them. I got 10. Here we go. I got to put it off ticks. How do you change this off fucking ticks? Let's on here, view settings. Settings. Showing ticks. You want to do that. Oh, look, I'm down 3 grand. Oh my God, dude. That's all right. You can't go down 5. Watch me trade out of it if it goes any higher. Let me put it on the 1 minute. All right, here it comes down, 700. I'm in. I'm coming out of 1, 2, 3. I came out of 3 of them. I'm only down 500. He's got $1,000 on the board. Great. I'm losing already, Mojo. I got 4, down 400, down 300. All right, I'm joining the bid. Join the bid. Down 650. Join the ask. Sell the market. All right, I'm going to take one on my take profit right here and go boom, 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 boom. All right, I'm in over there. All right, here we go, boys. I got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them right there in the beginning. Let's see if we can make some money. 10. There we go, Mojo. Come on down. Still down 400 for the Mojo. Down 200. Coming down to 25,000. No, come on, go lower. There we go. Take some of my Mojos there. Pull him down. Pull him down. Pull him down. Cover 1. There we go. Now I'm profitable. Up 120, up 130. Cancel. I'm not up 5,000 already. Someone's up 7,000 already. Ooh, I'm up over here on my take profit trader. Holy shit. Yeah, what's all this volume, Tradovate, right? There's a nice swoop, $500. Dude, I'm gonna do this all day long. I'm gonna make $30,000 a day on 10 minis. That's my average. 30 grand. So this one I'm done at the end of tomorrow will be worth $80,000. Mark my words. Put one 18, 17, and 16. Look, they're all buying it because they don't knows no one knows how to short. So that's what the mistake I'm making because the market's not open, so no one's shorting. They're only buying long. That's why I'm losing. Yep, I think so. I think that's what I'm doing. I got to change to go long. Let's go 19 and 18 right here. That one just crushed a bunch of people right there. Yeah, I think they're all doing the long. Someone's up $16,000. They said. I don't believe that. $19, $18, and $17 puts me at 500 right there. Let's put it down to $16. That's $650. Add into that. See if it goes down. It's made like 3 red bars. I should come down a little bit towards 25,000. Crush everybody that's long now, right? Crazy. Yeah, I'm on the wrong side of it. I'm really on the wrong side of it. I'm losing my ass. What is this? Oh, it's 5. I only have about $1,500. I'm gonna fucking be careful. I'm gonna have to cover right here. Come on down a little bit. 46.4. I gotta play the profit now. 46.5, 47. I gotta play the profit. I can't look at the chart and shit. Charting sucks. I need the SQQ so fucking bad. I'm at 47. That's not bad. I'll just do that each time. There's 47. I have 2 left. Yeah, I didn't want to blow up there, that's for sure. Oh, I have one micro over here. I need to be looking at my SQQ. That's what I need to be doing. I'm 47.2. Gotta climb back up. 47.3. 47.4. 47.5. Oh, nice. My take profit. I'm doing good. 1, 2. Nice. I still got one runner up 145. Now I can box it. 47.5. That crushed a lot of people that were long right there. That last one right here. People don't know how to short. Now it goes back up. I'm gonna get that shit. He's already up 2,000 because he went long. Yeah, if I would have went long, I'd be up 2,000 instead of down 2,000, right? How many 1,000 people? All right. How does it go sometimes? See, 70% of the chat is long. I'm short. That's all I know how to do. Like, that's a good trade right there. I might still have 5 left. Hit join the bid. Whoops. All right, 47.6 now. Think it'll break that line, right? 40, 20, 19 and come down to this 12. See, I told you, gonna break down under this 19, come down here to 12, and I'll be at 48. I just got, I'm just playing with it until it breaks, if it does. 47.7 now. There's a nice, see, I have 5 of them left, just like I wanted on that drop. I'm up 800 now. 48.5. Oh, I have a nice one on my take profit again. Yes, sir, Moj. Made 306 and 301 on the micros on my take profit account. Nice. Yep, the majority is long because I don't know how to short. I'll take one more off. I have one. I'll hold one. I just had a bad start on that bar. That's all. No big deal. I'm at 48. By the time in another 5 minutes, I'll be back to even on the next move. Then I'm going to short this ass into. Yes, I will make 100,000. Not on day one. You could, yeah, you really could. If it makes a 200-point drop, like a couple big green bars and red bars like that, yeah. How come there's a thing in front of my face? What is that? Yeah, there's a little thing in front of my face. I see that. What is that? Let's see what that is. Yeah, there's like a little MOJO thing on by my fucking face. Crazy. What is that thing? Oh, look at that rise. I missed. I took my eye off of it. Damn. All right, let me look at the settings here because they're all, I don't know what was going on with that. All right, there we go. Back down to 47. Oh, money time over here, that's for sure. See over here, I just put one at the top of the screen. I don't like take fucking 10. And when it comes to the top of the screen, I do it. I'm not trading good right now. They have way too many. I have 3 micros over there. Got 10 minis over here. Should have 3 minis. Match it. I'm gonna cover one and another one and another one and another one. So I'm back to 47. Because if it goes higher, I need 5 to trade it back here to 29. I can't trade without watching SQQ. I'm sorry. This is just ridiculous. I have no idea which way it's going. I can't see no market makers, no size. I can't see anything. You're driving blind. Driving blind. Well, let's see if it comes down here. It did. Back over 47.5. Just like that. Ooh, my take profits are doing really good. Whoops. Oh, it went up. See, I'm glad I got out of those. Now I go back in. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I only have 6. Now I have 10. See if I can get the 48 on this come down right here, because it's gone too many greens. Someone who just did a 10 from the open to the is already up like 10 grand. Here it comes. They're taking a couple of them. They took half of them. Came down here. There's a nice come down. They're talking about me. ProTrader Mike entered. They're looking at my thing right now. You're gonna look him down. He's looking. They're gonna talk about me right now. Look. Market's just driving higher. I want to see a big red. We haven't seen a big red yet. I know, it's unbelievable. It's always at night. Does this at 99 out of 100 nights it does this. Yep, you're right. You can't see anything. You need SQQ, man. No, it's coming down right now, dude. I'm winning. You're fucking coming down right now, dude. Yeah, it's coming down right now. I just made a nice actual score. You can reset. Yeah, you can reset once. One rebuy. I'll make 300 at a time until it does something. I think I'll be back to 47.5 now. Look. I gotta wait till tomorrow to do this because I have no advantage right now at all. I'm blind. Like driving a car through traffic at night, everyone's going 100 miles an hour. I'm like hitting things. It's ridiculous. See? Pegged by his wife's boyfriend. What does that mean? The fuck does that mean? That's crazy. What does that mean? All right. I'm already fucking down. But I'm not down that much. What did he mean by that? Back to 47.6. Hmm. You can't. It's not doing that. I've been trying to do that. I am. Because he made 2 grand. He's at 52. He wants to stay there. That's where I wanted to be. 52, 53. Now I got to grind it back and go higher. Huh? Here I come. Ching ching. 47.7. 47.8. That's a song, estimated profit. This will put me at 48. 48. Mm. 48. Coming back. I was at 46. So I came back 2. I come back 2 more. I'm even. Just like that. I just had a bad start. They mentioned me on his show, man. ProTrader Mike. Isn't that funny? I'm famous. I'm famous. See, I take 2 off right there in the beginning. The other 2, that's 400, and I'll hold 1, and then I'll rebox it wherever it is. How you got to do it. If I didn't take that loss in the beginning, I'd still be waiting since the fucking open, dude. Imagine that. There we go. They're taking 1. Back to 48. I gotta take a break. Isn't it amazing? That's how it's going sideways like that. That's how I've been making the money. I got a code with the Legends, man. If you open up, you want to open up a real account, use the MOJO code and get a discount. You know? Let's buy more and load it up here and take my break. See how I move that shit down? Not all of them, though. There we go. I'm above 48. Where? I don't, that's not going anywhere, and that shit's going sideways, dude. You made your move on that big move, dude. You're good. Chip leader. I'm small stack. Got to grind my way back, but I'll be seeing you at the final table. Yep. 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 So at 4 in the morning, it'll come all the way down again because SQQ's got to be somewhere near where it closed at 15:05. Anything under 15 tomorrow is going to be a magnificent. So yeah. This means it's right under 15, so it's like Heinzing 15 now. Because this 5 cents it's down is that move. So I'll add. I went big for the first time. Let's see if it backfires against me. It better not. Buy that shit right back. It's right there, you fucker. What happened? I put a stop in and it fucking took them all. You fucking bitch. What the fuck was that? Tradovate bullshit. Great. Nice. Tradovate closed my whole position. I was like at 48. Shit. Let's try it again. Bitch. Fuck me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put me back to 48 and I'm stopping. Shit ain't moving. I go through that and I stop. Go take a break. Come on. They took one. Come and get them. I can't believe I put that stop in and they closed my position like that. I wanted to walk away and just leave 10 of them. Now I don't even know how to put a stop in because I try to do it like I do it on Ninja Trader and it backfired on me. So I don't use Tradovate. I came over here, I put the buy in right there. So if it went up to there, it would buy stop. Can you do it on the chart? Trade mode. Can you do it on the chart? No, you can't do it on the chart. That's me. When it's open, that's what I'm doing. Back at 48. I'll be right back. I'll leave that baby running. Alrighty, I'm back. I got the setting on the YouTube, I think. That's I'm short right now. I just got short. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them to $420. It's right on me right now. Finally waited for a good trade. Oh, it's going higher. I just got fucked. I may have to reset. I want to start back at 50 and grind that shit up. I'm not going to make 4 grand here. I'm going to do that. Let's just go all in. And let's see it come down big red or something. All right, guys, we'll update me tomorrow. I'm done for the night. Tomorrow is a brand new day, and I will be doing it all day long. When I have an advantage to win, not tonight when I don't. Back over 47 though. I don't know how he can play Pink Floyd and not get copyright banned from YouTube and get shadow banned. That's how I got my YouTube channel shadow banned, by doing music. All right, 47,000 again. All right, I'm walking away. I'll be back. And actually, let me see what's going on my channels. Oh yeah, put a couple of orders in. All right, there we go. I'm gonna move this one up and walk away. Cancel him. Hold two of them for a little bit. I got to get rid of that circle on that MOJO day trading circle on YouTube. That's what I need to do. Ooh, I got a big move. Look at that. There's a trade coming up right here, right back down to this move again, which was 45. That's here. I can't find that setting. This is going to be an easy trade I'm going to make right here. Watch how it comes down. Swoop that same level, only up to that level, and then bounce again, which was 45. That's 46 I got it at. That last bar hurt people and shit. Finally. It's like a red finally came. All right, this is nauseating. I got to be done, people. This is not, this is ridiculous trading. It doesn't make money. That's why I don't trade at night. But yeah, I'll catch you in the morning and we'll bang this baby up to 60,000. All right. That's what we'll do. Peace, everybody. I'll catch you in the morning. I'm going to come back on at 8:30 and start this action again. I will. Yes, I will. Until then, peace. Keep it profitable and be safe. Yes, sir.